How to use a Visa gift card on Sephora. Follow my instructions. A Visa gift card works just like a regular debit or credit card when shopping online or in-store. You can use it to buy makeup, skincare, fragrances, or even to pay for part of your order. Here's how to make it work without issues. First, check the balance on your Visa gift card. You'll find a website or phone number on the back of the card where you can confirm the amount available. Knowing your exact balance will help prevent declined payments during checkout. If you're shopping online, open the Sephora website or app and add the items you want to your cart. When you're ready, go to checkout and select credit or debit card as your payment option. Enter the Visa gift card number, expiration date, and CVV code exactly as shown on the card. Make sure the billing address matches the one you registered with the gift card. If you haven't registered it yet, visit the card issuer's website and enter your name and address before using it online. This step is important for successful payment processing. If your total is higher than the gift card balance, you can split payment. Use the gift card first, then cover the rest with another debit, credit, or Sephora gift card. In store, simply hand the cashier your Visa gift card and let them apply it toward the purchase. Review your payment details carefully before placing the order. Once confirmed, your Visa gift card will be charged and your Sephora purchase will go through smoothly. And that's it. Now you know how to use a Visa gift card at Sephora with no problems. Thanks for watching.